Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. It's your boy Dominion right here again, and you're welcome back to this channel. Right now I'll show you guys some websites that you can actually do start out for free today, right now, right here, and make more money for yourself. Make at least 2,000 naira or at least $5 every day if you are actually working on these websites. And if you work on all of them, you can make a whole lot of money. You can make way more than that amount of money, which actually listed, or which I actually said, which is actually $5, can make more and more and more and more of it. That is actually over 2,000 naira every day using this particular website. So that being said, guys, and without any further ado, if you're new here, you're welcome. Please hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel, and let's get into the video. Alright guys, so welcome back from that short break, and you are actually welcome back to this channel. So the first one on my list is actually no other one but Audu. Yes guys, so Audu is actually a platform which actually gives you the ability, or the access to make more money for yourself by doing so many social media tasks and getting paid directly into your local bank account as a Nigerian or as African at large, or even South African at large, but even from the US and from any kind of country you are literally you can actually make money from Audu. So it is actually an international platform for you to actually make money for yourself doing social media tasks. Now I'm going to be listing out some social media tasks for you to actually do. The first one on my list is no other one but liking posts. Now you can like posts on Facebook, like posts on Instagram, follow people. Also, you can actually subscribe to YouTube channels, but I want to actually advise you to actually do that for yourself on YouTube, because YouTube can actually ban your YouTube channel. Seriously. Yes guys, so the next one, you can actually share posts, do different things on Audu. Sign up on the platforms, sign up on download applications, run different things, guys, and you're gonna be getting paid. If you do at least a reasonable amount of job every day, then you are actually on your way to actually making cool cash and getting some bills actually done or off your neck. Yes guys, so the next one on my list is no other one but Naira Workers. Now Naira Workers is actually a platform which I've actually talked about over 5 months ago, if I'm not mistaken. Over 5 months right now, or should I say over 6 months, I've actually talked about Naira Workers, and it's still actually paying. So that's why if I talk about something, you need to actually jump out in it and just trust the moment and start making money for yourself continuously and continuously. Now Naira Workers is also a platform just the same as Audu. They are literally the same, but Naira Workers is actually there before Audu, but Audu literally pays more. That's the fact. Audu's minimum withdrawal is actually 5,000 naira, which Naira Workers minimum withdrawal is 2,000 naira. So you see the difference, guys. You see the difference. You can look for the one which you actually want to do, and which one is actually best for you to actually work with, and you make more money for yourself, provided you are actually doing it consistently. You are going to be making money for yourself. Yes guys, so if you actually refer more friends to your platform, to the account, to the platform, using your own special link, where if you go to the referral space, you see your link there, pick it up and share it. Make your friends register and make them start making money there. When they start performing jobs, you also get more money for yourself into your local bank accounts. No, literally into your account, which you can withdraw into your local bank account. Yes guys, so the next one on my list is Pico Workers. Pico Workers has actually been changed. The name has actually been changed. The link is still going to be in the description box below. Pico Workers is still paying, and the best thing about Pico Workers is that they pay in dollars. So right now, making money online in dollars is actually one of the best things. Well, first of all, you can actually do things like surveys, different things on Pico Workers, and you get paid. Minimum withdrawal on Pico Workers $5 up till now. Yes guys, so before I actually get into the next one, please, I am actually having a class. Not really a class, but a course. This is actually a course of over 12 videos, and these videos, all of them are over 30 minutes straight. Now this video, I'm going to be giving you a 2 weeks compiled training, which I can just send off the training to you, because it's actually a recorded course. Yes, my course is also on Udemy. If you want the course on Udemy, just comment in the comment section. I'll give you my link to download to buy the course on Udemy. But if you don't want that also, you can literally send an email or shoot me an email at realdominionaudu@gmail.com, or also send me an inbox on Instagram at dominion_audu, or even on Twitter. Instagram is actually the best. Send me on Instagram and I'll be there to actually answer your questions. Yeah. So with that being said, guys, I think let's get into the next one. After Pico Workers, there are two other ones which I'll actually be listing out in my next video. I think that'll be all for this video. If you love what I do here, please don't forget to hit the like button. Like this video, please, and please, and please like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Subscription is actually free, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell notification button. So literally what that bell button does is it gives you the access to get notifications whenever any video is being published to this channel. With that being said, guys, and without any further ado, if you're new here, you're welcome. To my return subscribers, welcome back. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.